Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. I would like to share my hookup to the MetaQuest for audio purposes. First and foremost, most important, this is extremely important to carry the power and the sound to the MetaQuest. Second and foremost, you need this unit to be able to play audio from your sound system, from your source, from your phone, to the MetaQuest. Now, I will hook up all the components needed for it to work properly. First, this adapter is connected to this wire right here. I have a 10-foot wire, USB-C to USB-C. Plug it in the unit, and now the other USB-C that comes out, or the second USB-C you put in, that's for the audio, and this one is for the power. Now this second hookup right here will give you the sound that comes out of the MetaQuest into that box here, and then back in here to send it back to whoever's listening to you. So, requiring to hook it up. Okay, there's the power one. You can plug it in the wall outlet, power source, or whatever you please. And the other one that comes out of the MetaQuest for the audio will hook up to this unit right here in the back. I don't know if it's clear or not, but you have a PC out and a smartphone. The unit comes with its own power supply. All you have to do is hook it up. So right now I'm just using a device just to power it because I'm not in the sound room. Power it up. Second task, hooking up your microphone. As you can see, I've already hooked it up. And now, hooking up your source could be in the back here. There is an aux in. To a headphone jack on a smartphone, or it's Bluetooth compatible too. Now, I also using an Anchor Bluetooth speaker because When the headset is hooked up, you will not be able to hear the sound coming out of the headset itself. It will come out of an external speaker. So that has to be hooked up to headphone jack on this. So it's the headphone jack to a Bluetooth speaker that has a line in. And now you can tell if your unit is hot by playing music. Now I'm going to play some music through the phone to the Maono, and it's going to, this is non-copyrighted material, I hope so. And you just raise the volume. And that will send the sound to the MetaQuest back to the Bluetooth speaker so you can hear what's happening. Part 2 coming.